Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. Last puzzle is a Tectonic, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday. Wednesday, June the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, and this will be number 8753. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. This one has 17. Should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has a lot. Don't think it's a 3 stars puzzle. I think it's a 1 star, maybe a 0 stars puzzle. We don't know. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box. There, single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here 1 dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? See only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 3. This box can be 1. The 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the binner box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 here in the same area, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra box? I overlooked this dual box. We have another dual box. 1 and a 2. Do not know in which order. Alright. Overlooked. Next question, the quadra boxes. Do we have a quadra box? I see only 1 quadra box. I cannot fill those numbers. It contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, insufficient information right now. I cannot fill those numbers. More quadra boxes. Let me check. No. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me draw this shape here. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. This case is a 1 or a 2. Alright, here the same shape. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. We have more? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have here 1, 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Let me see. Well, These two boxes surround the one can be a 1. This box can also not be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. So the 2 and the 3 are left. Is connected with that box. That box also 2 and a 3. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3. I think this box should be, wait, these two boxes. Surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we have so 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be 4. That box can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Then. These two boxes can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Alright. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fit any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be there. For the 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, but also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 5. So 2 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Oh, no. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Then, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes in there. This box can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Here 2 numbers left in this area. Same numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Then these 2 boxes. Wait. This box came. Well. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 should be one of these 3 boxes. Okay. Yeah. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Interesting. The difficult part is one. 2 and 4. 1. 1. Well, these 3 boxes should be the 1, the 2, and the 4. 1, 2, 4. That means that this box cannot be 1, 2, or a 4. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5 could be here. 3 and a 5, okay. Yeah. This one is, I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And I've marked this box with 5 or 3. We have 5 here, so this box should be a 3 then. Alright. This box could be 1 or a 4. Yeah. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 5. Yeah. 1 or 4. How about here? The same. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 5. So 2 numbers left. 1 and a 4. We have a pair here. That means 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 or a 4. We have a 4 now. So this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 4 then. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2. And this quadra box should be here. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 4, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, told you, can be a 4, can be a 3, can be 2, should be a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I will do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.